Hi everyone, I'm Inni-K. I'm a singer, musician and songwriter, and welcome to my Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform where you can support the artists you love to keep making more of what they do. What excites me about this new chapter for me is that it's going to allow me to share my music and to connect with my audience in new, more regular and I think interesting ways. What will my patrons be receiving? Well, there are 5 tiers you can choose from. I'll be sharing special content like behind the scenes videos of works in progress and projects I'm working on to let you into my creative process a little. I'll be sharing artists and music I love that I think you might enjoy too, Q&A Zoom hangouts and special patron online concerts. You'll get early access to new videos and I'll keep thinking of little surprises along the way to thank you for being my patrons. With the support of my patrons, there's loads I want to achieve. I want to collaborate with some musical friends, head off with my band for 2 weeks to just experiment and explore new music together when we can, make some cool covers for you and keep making more of the music I really want to make. So if you've been enjoying my music so far, thank you so much, especially to all who've been with me since the start. If you're new to my music, welcome. I'd be delighted if you'd like to join me on this new Patreon chapter. I think it's going to be fun, I think it's empowering for independent artists, and I think we're going to make some good things happen. Gurv míle maith agaibh as ocht féachantar seo. Thanks so much for watching and take care.
Used to